안녕하세요, 여러분. 저는 Jenny예요. Hi everyone, my name is Jenny, and today we're going to be talking about 는, 편이다. 편 means side. So we can use this grammar pattern to express on the quite side, quite something. I'm quite tall. I'm quite short. I'm on the tall side. I'm on the short side. I'm quite introverted or extroverted. Or you can use it to express that you're good at a certain ability. I'm quite good at doing this thing, or I'm not so good at doing this thing. 저는 키가 작은 편이에요. I'm on the short side. Here we have 노래를 잘하다, to be good at singing, or on the opposite side of the spectrum, 노래를 못하다, to not be good at singing. When you're talking about being on the something side, you're not saying that you're right here on the spectrum. This isn't you. You're also not in the middle. You're somewhere in between. So 노래를 잘하는 편이에요. I'm on the side that's quite good at singing. 노래를 못하는 편이에요. I'm on the side that's not so good at singing. I'm not good at singing. You can use this grammar pattern with adjectives, verbs, though there's a condition if you want to use a verb. We'll talk about that right here. 있다 없다 and 이다 아니다. You do not use this grammar pattern when a fact or situation is clear or obvious. So if you're 8 feet tall, you would not be like, 저는 키가 큰 편이에요. We can tell. If you're 8 feet tall, yes, we can see that you are on the tall side. You would not use this grammar pattern in that situation. If you want to use this grammar pattern with a verb, you must use an adverb like 자주, often, 많이, a lot, or 잘, well, if you're doing something well. If you use it without it, it just doesn't make sense. 국수 is noodles, so 국수 먹는 편이에요. I'm on the side that eats noodles. What does that mean? Let's try it again. 국수를 자주 먹는 편이에요. I eat noodles quite often. That makes sense. We can say that. So if you want to use a verb with this grammar pattern, make sure you have an adverb. Otherwise, it just doesn't make sense. You also have two different options for expressing something that happened in the past. So we want to say, in high school, I was on the short side. In middle school, I was on the extroverted side. If you're talking about a general situation in the past, you can use 는 편이었다. 한지 씨가 매운 음식을 잘 먹는 편이었다고 했어요. Indirect speech form. 한지 she said that he was quite good at eating spicy food. Or 고등학교 때 나는 공부를 잘하는 편이었어. In high school, I was quite good at studying. General situation in the past is not talking about one specific event. If you want to talk about a specific event that was completed in the past, then you can use 니은 편이다. Let's say yesterday you took an exam and today you got the results out. This is the exam, specific event that you completed in the past. So you can use this form in this situation. You got your scores and you see, I did quite well. Some people didn't do quite well, but I'm one of the people that tested really well. 시험 잘 본 편이야. I did quite well on this exam. 저희 is another word for us. In this situation, maybe you just arrived at an event. Now you're commenting on it. 저희도 일찍 간 편이었는데 we were on the side. We also left quite early. We also went quite early to this event, but now we've arrived and now we see 자리가 없었어요. That there were no chairs. There were no seats left. So we also arrived early to that event, but there were still no chairs, even though we were on the early arrival side. Got there earlier than some people. 뚱뚱하다, fat, chubby. 뚱뚱한 편이에요. 날씬한 편이에요. Or 큰 편이에요. Big and 작은 편이에요. Skinny, fat, or chubby versus big and small. 날씨가 따뜻한 편이에요. The weather's on the warm side. The weather's quite warm. 날씨가 추운 편이에요. The weather's on the cold side. It's quite cold. These are different utility fees. 가스 요금, gas fee, 수도 요금, water fee, 전기 요금, electric fee. 비싼 편이에요. This is quite expensive. $7,000, 1,000,000원, 비싼 편이에요. 싼 편이에요. $14, 20,000원, 싼 편이에요. 고등학교는 우리 집에서 가까운 편이에요. The high school is quite close to our house. 고등학교는 우리 집에서 먼 편이에요. The high school is quite far from our house. That is it for this lesson. 잘했어요. 다음에 봐요. See you later.